Hello George, welcome to George Basics. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to buy Dogelon Mars Token on Trustwallet. But before we start, please subscribe our channel because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible to turn on the monetization. So let's go to our topic. I want to tell you that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy Dogelon Mars Token on Trustwallet. So let's start. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and check the analytics of this coin. Click the search button and type Dogelon. Here's our token. Click on this token and you can see the analytics here, and you should make the decision you want to buy or not. After you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap and you need to go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download it, then go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy Dogelon Mars token you need to swap your Ethereum to. So go to Ethereum, click buy, and buy Ethereum on Trustwallet. But you can also send it from any other crypto markets. Go back and click receive, copy this wallet address and send Ethereum from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet. After you will have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, then go back to CoinMarketCap, and now you need to copy the contract address, which is here down below. Click the copy button and copy this contract address, then go back to Trustwallet, and now you should click the apps. Click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Uniswap. Go to Uniswap. Now you should click select a token, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago, and then you should click import. Then choose amount of Dogelon Mars token and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because we need to reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you.